today's video I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my goddess Faux Locs because it's looking quite crusty, dusty, and frizzy, and no shine whatsoever. Especially my roots. Oh my god, the itching that I have been doing, Lord Jesus only knows. So it's time for me to show you guys how I refresh it by washing it and giving it more shine. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. I have a lot of new hair growth. My hair magically is growing really fast because I can see it on my roots because I have a lot of hair growth and product build up, you know, quite nasty. To relock some of those because as you can see it's like getting frizzy and all those type of things. So I'm going to start off with a water spray bottle. It's currently empty. Some apple cider vinegar. I got mine from Holland Barrett. Like I said, all the products that I'll be using will be down in the description box. And some baking soda. I'll be using one of these, not the whole pack, just one. So I'll be mixing these three ingredients together and come back when it's all done. So I've put the apple cider vinegar, the baking soda and water, all three ingredients in this water spray bottle. And if you put it all three together in this bottle, it will start like bubbling, so don't panic or something like that. It's normal. So don't fill your water bottle all the way up here, and you just really need a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it on the roots of my hair, because that's where, on the roots and on my scalp actually, and it's gonna make sure that the product buildup and all these yuckiness will be easier for me when I put my shampoo in and start washing. So it's gonna just smoothing things up for me. It smells bad, I'm not gonna lie. It smells yucky. I'm gonna let it soak in for 5 to 10 minutes and then head off to the shower. It dry for about 30 to 45 minutes, but it's not completely dry yet. My Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle, and I like to use this on my scalp. Locks all the way on the length, and the root is also like quite tight, and you just want to refreshen their locks. The thing that you can do is take a pair of scissors and you just cut the hairs that are sticking out, you know. I'm going to be using the Jamaican mango and lime locking gel. I know Kujo, if you're watching this, it's yours, but I'm just going to use a dime. I'm not going to use a lot. Now what I'm going to actually do is I am definitely going to release the front and retwist it again. Now I'm not going to show you guys how I retwist it because I already showed that part in my video on how I DIY goddess Faux Locs, so you can definitely check that one out. My favorite Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner for my scalp, just to moisturize it a little bit. hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!